in this video, we're going to talk about how do you study accounting, because accountancy is one of the most hardest major, one of the most hardest courses. So we have to put more into effort. So does it mean that we should read more and more books? The answer would be no. Actually, it's counterproductive. One, because it consumes a lot of your time without understanding the topic. And remember that we accountants, we don't memorize, we analyze stuff. So reading more books doesn't give you a guarantee of passing or earning a higher grade. So instead of reading more, why not change it and turn it into understanding it more, which is more productive and time efficient. Actually, there's a scientific fact that students who read more but understand less tend to have lower grades compared to students who read less but understanding it more. So remember to understand what you're trying to read. We have two things that we're going to talk about: the concepts and problem solving. So first, the concepts are the ideas, the generalization, the illustration, the theories that you learned in the topic. And on the other hand, problem solving is the application of the concepts that you've learned, and it is more practical because it is applied into real world. So there are students who are claiming that concepts is the most important thing that you should know. You should delegate 100% of your time to it. And on the other hand, there are students who are claiming that problem solving is the most important thing. So the question now is, which one of these students is correct? The answer would be neither of them, because both of them is important and one can't stand without the other. Why? If a student knows the concept but has no problem solving, I appreciate their understanding, their theories, but they don't have the application. And students who don't apply what they learn, they never succeed. Just to give you an illustration in this graph, on the first part, yes, they would see some progress, but as time passed by, they would reach a certain plateau. And one of the reasons is that you don't apply what you learn. On the other hand, when a student only has the problem solving, yes, they have the application, but they don't understand what they're trying to do. And actually, this is the worst part a student should be in, because it's like gaining 0% knowledge. I mean, when you're trying to solve a problem, yes, you would have progress, but when it comes to twisted problems or more complicated type of problems, then bam, 0% knowledge, because you don't understand what you're trying to do. So remember to treat concepts and problem solving equally, because they have the same importance. But to give you a quick illustration what you should do, let's say the blue part is the concepts and the red part is the problem solving part. On the first part of learning a topic, you should delegate more time into concepts and less into problem solving, because you're just trying to understand the topic. But as time passes by and you're trying to understand the topic even more, then the direction goes the opposite way. The problems, you have to delegate more time to problem solving and less into concept. Of course, you don't need to read every time the ideas, because you already know it. So that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.